Hello everyone, nice to meet you. This video will show the process of Info2Soft i2COOPY feature, which can help you achieve the field-level replication in real time. Before we start the replication, there are two preparations needed to do. Firstly, the console server has been deployed and configured. Secondly, the DR node package has been installed on the test machines. Then we can start the replication. We need to add the DR node firstly. We can go to the resource and the node, click the new button. Here we prepared two test machines, the 47 and the 56. Let's add them one by one. Just input some basic settings of that to register and assign the COOPY license for that. Now we can go to the real setup, and we need to set up as the host and unselect the backup client. Configure the host setup. Choose which path could be replicated. We can confirm to submit. Okay, this is the work machine. And then let's add the standby machine. The steps are same with the work machine. Let's verify and assign the COOPY license for that. In the root setup, we set up the host and select the backup client. Then configure the host setup. Let's choose the root directory could be replicated and confirm to submit. Okay, then we can see the test machine has been added here and its status is online. So for the demonstration, we have generated some data under the i2COOPY directory. We can see there has a data file, and in our standby machine, actually no any directory and files here. So then we can create the replication rule and to replicate the data between them. We go to the DR and migration, file replication and replication. Click the new to create that. There are many options can be configured. We can design them as actual requirement. For the basic settings, we can select the name and which node as the production node and which is the standby node, which IP address used for the data transmission, and also we have the filter to include or exclude by the regular expression. Then for the path, we can use which path used for the replication, such as we just want to replicate some path the i2COOPY directory, we can add that, and it will also be mapped to the target standby machine. And we can click confirm to submit that. After submitting, we can check the status. The initialization has been finished and the status is 100%. We can refresh. Now we can see the status is replicating, which means the first initialization synchronization has been finished, and now all the changes will be replicated to the standby machine in real time. So we can go to the work machine and standby machine to compare the data status. In the work machine, we have two directories, and in the standby machine, we can only the i2COOPY directory has been synchronized. And let's see, the data file has been synchronized also. So let's compare the MD file value of that to confirm the data consistency. We can use the MD file sum command i2COOPY. Now go to the standby machine. Use the MD file sum value command to check the value. i2COOPY, okay, it is totally same, which proves the synchronization has been finished. Then, while the replication job running, any changes in the work machine will be synchronized to the standby machine, such as some changes for the data property. For example, we change the on to the root and the root for the i2COOPY. We can see the property has been changed, and in the standby machine, it is also changed meanwhile. Next, we can confirm the deletion operation. We can go to the work machine and delete something to confirm that. Let's delete the data file. And now it is removed already. In the standby machine, we can see also the data has been cleared. Now we have validated the replication process. If we want to revert some file or folder from the standby machine to work machine, we just need to access the web console and stop current replicating job. We stop that. Now the replication has stopped, and we can generate some new files in the standby machine. We can access the standby machine. We can see no files here, so let's generate a test text file. Test for copy, and let's save that. You can see the new file has been created. Now we can return to our web console and click the more. We have the instant restore. Let's create an instant restore job for that. Recover from the i2COOPY directory, and we can choose which node revert to. Also, we can specify which path to revert. Then confirm the configuration and click confirm. Because this operation will overwrite the same name files, so please notice this point. We can go to the recovery to check the recovery job status. We need to manually start that. Okay, because we just have one test file, so the process has been finished. It's very quickly. We can go to the work machine and then check that. You can see this file is the same with the text file we created in the standby machine. So this is the revert from our standby machine. Now I think this is all the process of our i2COOPY. So if you have any questions, you can contact us via the support mailbox. So thanks for watching. Bye.